Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Canva for passive income through design, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Canva and create an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Explore the templates available for various design types such as social media posts, logos, and presentations. Choose a template that aligns with the project you want to create. Customize the template by changing colors, fonts, and images to suit your style. Use the search bar to find specific elements or images to enhance your design. Incorporate your unique branding elements such as logos and color schemes. Download your completed design in the desired format, such as PNG or PDF. Consider creating multiple designs around a consistent theme to build a cohesive portfolio. Upload your designs to print-on-demand platforms for sales opportunities. Research trending niches to identify what designs are currently in demand. Promote your designs via social media channels to increase visibility. Network with other designers or communities for feedback and collaboration. Leverage your Canva skills to offer design services or create digital products. Continuously refine and update your designs based on customer feedback and market trends. Track your earnings and analyze which designs perform best to optimize future efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.